Hey Eric, I wanted to show you some of the updates I made to the survey, and you can let me know if you think this will work or not. So in the design survey side of things, um, the first question is what type of program did you do? And so depending on what you pick, it takes you to a specific page. So if you pick club, um, it takes you to this page. And the first question is going to be what group class did your child just complete? So one part of this is that your team would need to update this on a regular basis to make sure that the options are the current options, and you could include the ones from the previous month just in case someone gets to this late. So basically, they would select, oh, this is just in design mode. They would select that survey, and that would allow you to kind of view results by each activity. So you can always preview it by going to this button, and you can actually test it out to see how that would work. So basically, in the preview function, you can like act as if you're a family. You can pick club, next. You can pick one of these, etc. So then, when you or your team wants to look at the results for their particular club, they would go to Analyze Results and then Filter, filter by question and answer, and then you would find what group class did your child just complete, and it'll pull up the menu, so if they wanted to look at just Fall Paint Club, they would just click Apply. Right now there's not going to be any because I just added that question, but they would be able to then view the data in summary form, or they could look through the individual responses, etc. So this is what I was thinking, but totally open to finding a different solution if you don't think this will fit. So just let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to take a look. These changes are live, so definitely tell me if you don't think this will work and want to change that. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.